This is the best dashboard charger for your car. To set it up, simply attach the mount to your charger and wipe down your surface. After that, press the suction cup where you want it and push the latch down to secure it. Twist the nut to lock in the perfect angle for you, then plug in via USB-C. Now your magnetic foam will automatically lock into place and charge for you as well. This is the tripod that we film with and we absolutely love it. It collapses all the way down to a size you can hold in your hand and extends to over 5 feet tall. It can fit almost all phone sizes too. The head can rotate a full 360 degrees around and the neck up to 180 degrees backwards to allow you to get the perfect angle for your shot. It also comes with a Bluetooth remote so you can take a selfie or a photo from up to 30 feet away from it. If you're looking for a new tripod, then you'll love this one. This is our Flexispot bidet toilet seat. Stop using so much toilet paper and get yourself one of these. The installation is simple. Just take off your old seat and install this bracket. Then slide on the new seat. Attach the T-valve onto your toilet and hook up the hose. Hold the power button to turn it on and you're good to go. It includes functionality for both washing and drying. You can adjust the water pressure and nozzle position, as well as the water, seat, and dryer temperatures. It also has an awesome built-in night light. These are the best travel toothbrushes that we've seen. The toothbrushes are 100% biodegradable, crafted from corn husk, and the packaging is 100% recyclable. They're individually packaged and each box comes with 10 toothbrushes. The bristles are also made of activated charcoal, which feel great to use. This is our tire pressure monitoring system. You can put it onto your dashboard via the built-in suction or through the included Velcro pieces. After that, just plug it right into the car charging port and the device will turn on. Next up, you need to put the caps on your tires. It's super simple. Just remove the previous caps by twisting them off and add the washers and new Bluetooth caps right back on. Once you finish all four, the display will show you each tire's pressure. The device was alerting us that one of our tires was too low and another too high, so we went to a gas station and then fixed them. It also tells you the temperature of each tire. Our favorite Amazon finds, part 121. If you want to record videos like a pro, you'll love this 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer. It can be used to keep your phone steady while you're moving around. It allows you to use hand gestures to start a video, and it also has face tracking available. The bottom of the stabilizer pulls out into a tripod for when you want to use it as a stand. Lastly, the buttons on it allow you to turn and rotate your phone. This is our pressure cooker that also transforms into an air fryer. We use it almost every single day to make amazing meals. The pressure cooker has 14 preset options, including chicken, soup, or rice. The air fryer also has 7 different preset options. If you're looking for the perfect kitchen gadget to add to your home, here it is. Check out these amazing air-fried Oreos that only took us 6 minutes to make. So delicious and so easy.
Thoughts I have while using my pink miracle shoe cleaner. This stuff smells really good. Just put a little bit on the sponge. I love that it's colored pink. It's so fun. Now for the best part. Scrub, 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 scrub. Wow, this is so satisfying. So clean and shiny. I always forget how easy this is to use. This stuff rocks.
This is our food catching baby placemat by Upward Baby. It's perfect for keeping food off the tables and the floors. The placemat suctions onto any surface and hangs just over the edge. Now, when your kid, baby, or toddler spills food during a meal, the cleanup will be super easy. When you're done, just roll it back up, toss it in the dishwasher, and you're good to go.
This might just be the best kitchen product we own. It's a multifunctional food processor that can allow you to do so many different things. The rotation speed is completely adjustable. You can attach this slicing blade to quickly and perfectly slice anything you want, such as cucumbers. It also has a fine blade to finely or coarsely shred any foods. This is a dough blade, allowing you to mix up any ingredients you want, such as homemade pasta dough. You can also switch out the blade with the normal chopping blade instead. And lastly, this is a mashing blade, which we use to quickly and easily make mashed potatoes. This product truly does it all. Did you know pickleball is the fastest growing sport in the world? This is our Pickleball Set. It comes with 2 paddles and 4 pickleball balls in a carrying case. We also have this pickleball bag, which slings right over your shoulder to carry an extra paddle, balls, and a water bottle. All of the gear is waterproof and the paddles are made of high quality fiberglass. So if you're looking for a new game to play with your friends, give pickleball a shot. We think you'll love it as much as we do. This is the perfect gadget for your desk. It's a mini tabletop vacuum cleaner and it's super easy to use. Just click the power button and move the vacuum around to pick up any mess such as crumbs, dust, or hair. Afterwards, twist off the top and easily dispose it into your garbage. You can use the included cleaning brush to fully clean it too. The vacuum also comes with a nozzle for getting into small cracks, such as in between the keys of your keyboard. It's also fully rechargeable via USB-C.
Our favorite Amazon finds, part 122. If you're tired of constantly searching for your misplaced chapstick, then you need to get your hands on this chapstick holder keychain. It's designed to hold any standard chapstick or lip balm tightly so it doesn't fall out. I love keeping mine in my backpack and on my keys, so I always have my chapstick with me wherever I go. It also comes in a pack of 5 with different designs and colors for only $9. Our Favorite Amazon Finds, Part 124. If you're looking for that extra dose of inspiration through 2021, you'll want to check out these motivational posters. They're double-sided, with one side in color and the other in black and white, making it a perfect fit for your classroom, office, or gym. And lastly, they're laminated on high-quality material.